Superman. The Superman.
No, I'm gonna try it again.
Face plant.
The ass fuck.
Face plant.
Woo! Okay, I don't want to do that.
This is going on YouTube, buddy.
Oh!
You flew over the bounced off.
Hey, do the other one where it looked like you just hurt yourself. I want to get that on film.
What, the one where I went like this?
When you went all over it. Yeah. Ready? Set. Action! All right, take 2. Oh, he's running way out there. I'll tell you when. Ready? I got a good angle.
Do it.
Go.
This is gonna be on ridiculousness.
You suck.
I just rocked my nose.
Oh, dude, that was perfect.
That shit is like caved in.
Ooh, my leg.